One of the most important features about the Translast Clear O2 vacuum units is the self-cleaning functionality. When we connect clean, dry, regulated compressed air to these units, we can maintain a successful outcome in regards to filter life and the continuation of the correct CFM that's needed to pull the fume out of the air when welding. To ensure clean, dry, regulated air, we first provide the pressure reducing valve, which helps us maintain no more than 80 psi or 6 bar. This attaches to the unit right here. We then connect our compressed air hose to the pressure reducing valve. When we have the pressure reducing valve connected with the compressed air line connected to that, we then have regulated air at 80 psi, and for each pulse the air drawn is 21 CFM.